Hello everyone, this is video number 17. We were doing the turning point. So I will continue my lesson. As you know that the teacher, Dr. Kalam's teacher, Shiva Subramanya Iyer, he took him on the seashore and he was explaining the students about the bird's flight. And that very day, standing on the seashore of Rameshwaram, Dr. Kalam decided that what he wanted to study. Okay, and at that time, I did not realize that eventually I would move towards the study of the science of flying. And it was because of his teacher's lesson and the flight that he had witnessed, Dr. Kalam had witnessed, this only inspired Dr. Kalam. Okay, and this incident inspired Dr. Kalam to move towards his goal. And that very day, what happened? Dr. Kalam decided that he is going to study physics, okay, and he is going to study the science of flight. And that one evening after the class, Dr. Kalam asked Mr. Iyer for advice, and Dr. Kalam also told the teacher about his interest. Okay, then he patiently explained. His teacher explained him that first he should complete class 8. Okay, and then what this Dr. Kalam can do after completing class 8, he can go to high school, and from there he can go to college, and then he can take up the study of sciences. So this advice, his teacher's advice, was really helpful for Dr. Kalam. Okay, the advice and the lesson of the flight of birds really gave me my mission for life. So that very day, Dr. Kalam was very clear about his mission. Okay, first was the advice of the teacher, and the second was the flight of the birds that he observed. So when I went to college, I took up physics and then went on to study engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology. There I took up aeronautical engineering. My life was transformed. I became a rocket engineer, an aerospace engineer, and a technologist. So when Dr. Kalam went to college, what he did, he decided to study physics, and he took physics and then he started studying engineering. He studied in Madras Institute of Technology, and he took up aeronautical engineering. I told you aeronautical engineering is a field of engineering that is concerned with the development of aerospace, aircraft, and this spacecraft. Okay, and his life was transformed. Transformed means changed. So Dr. Kalam's life was changed now, and he became a rocket engineer, an aerospace engineer, and a technologist. Okay, let's move to the next page. In next page we have hope it is clear and you are able to see it. Okay. This memory of my teacher encouraging me to ask questions and then showing real life examples to aid my comprehension remained with me all my life. After all, it had proved a turning point in my life. It initiated and eventually shaped my profession. Sri Shiva Subramanya Iyer was the catalyst who ignited our young minds by allowing us to ask questions and then answering them till we achieved complete understanding. So at last what Dr. Kalam is saying, that we should ask questions. If something is not clear to us, we should ask questions so that we can understand it in a better way. If you ask question, what will happen? Your comprehension, your understanding will develop, and that understanding will remain with you throughout your life. Everything will be very clear if you do something by giving some practical examples. So Dr. Kalam is telling that that incident was a turning point in my life, because I understood to understand anything we should first question, and we should try to understand anything through real life situation, by experiencing it, by practical examples. Only then we will be able to understand the concepts. And it initiated and eventually shaped my profession. What is the meaning of initiated? Started. So that incident, it shapes Dr. Kalam's profession, gave him encouragement, and Dr. Kalam is telling that his teacher acted as a catalyst. Okay, what is a catalyst? Catalyst is a noun. This word is noun, and you can say it is something that causes change. Okay, catalyst is something that causes change. Who ignited? What is the meaning of ignited? Cause something to burn or set in motion. So his teacher acted as a catalyst in his life, acted as a guiding force in his life. His teacher advised him, guided him, showed him the path, ignited his young minds. And how the teacher ignited his young mind? He encouraged the students to ask questions, and then the teacher answered it in a very proper way, and then the students, everyone understood the concept. So he is telling, at last Dr. Kalam is telling that my teacher acted as a guiding light for me, and he allowed us to ask questions and then answering them till we achieved complete understanding. So this was all about the lesson. Now what you will do? I have explained the lesson. Now what you have to do, how you will start this lesson. Okay, what you will do, first you will give the title. Okay, you will write what is the lesson's name, the turning point. Then what you will do, you can draw also, or you can stick the picture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and then you will write 3 to 4 sentences about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I have also given some information, okay, who was Dr. Kalam. He was the 11th president. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, and he is also known as Missile Man of India. So you can write at least 3 to 4 sentences about Dr. Kalam. You will stick the picture, or you can draw the picture of Dr. Kalam, then write 3 to 4 sentences. After that, you will write all the difficult words which is given at the end of your lesson. And if in the chapter also you find other difficult words, you can mark them, search for their meanings, okay, and write in your notebook. See, all the meanings are, all the difficult words are given with their meanings. So write this in your fair copy. After doing this, what we will do? We will do question and answer. Okay. After completing that, you can move to question and answer. So in my next video, I will discuss question and answer. Thank you.